Ethereum, ETH, is a decentralized, open-source blockchain platform that runs smart contracts, applications that run exactly as programmed without any possibility of downtime, censorship, fraud, or third-party interference. Ethereum 2.0, also known as ETH2 or sometimes called Serenity, is the next major version of Ethereum that is currently in development. It includes a number of significant upgrades to the Ethereum network that are designed to improve scalability, security, and efficiency. One of the key features of Ethereum 2.0 is the use of a proof-of-stake (POS) consensus algorithm, which replaces the current proof-of-work (POW) algorithm used by Ethereum. In a proof-of-work system, miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems in order to validate transactions and create new blocks, and are rewarded with ETH for their efforts. In a proof-of-stake system, validators stake their ETH to the network by locking it up as collateral, and are then chosen to create new blocks and validate transactions based on the amount of ETH they have staked. Other major features of Ethereum 2.0 include sharding, a way to increase the scalability of the Ethereum network by allowing it to process transactions in parallel. Increased security, the use of a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm is expected to increase the overall security of the Ethereum network. Energy efficiency, proof-of-work mining requires a lot of energy, and the switch to proof-of-stake is expected to significantly reduce the energy consumption of the Ethereum network. Overall, the upgrades included in Ethereum 2.0 are expected to greatly improve the performance and scalability of the Ethereum network, and make it more secure and energy efficient. It's an exciting time for Ethereum, and the transition to Ethereum 2.0 is likely to have a big impact on the broader blockchain ecosystem.